Hello guys, how are you today? Can you hear me? — 2600, Mr. Flair. Whoa, it's amazing. — 74. Oh my god, guys, congratulations. It's amazing, guys. I'm so proud of you. Can you hear me, guys? My microphone's good? Alright, loud and clear. Hope you are here. Oh, let's try to do this, man, together. Okay? Sure, I can hear you. Hope you are here. Yeah, we can hear you. Alright. Let's check it out, invest.com today. Economy calendar. Let's see what is happening. Alright, today guys, we don't have an impact. A great one. Hello, Kibichi. Everything's alright, man. And about you? All good? Super sound clear. Alright. So let's go, guys. So let me introduce myself so briefly. I'm Jimmy Smart. I've been working on Smart for a long time. All my knowledge and my experience I want to share with you. Because of that, I created this group on Telegram, right? Where I send signals every day for the morning, afternoon, evening, nights. Just to send signals, okay? So for the beginners, welcome for everyone, for you and for beginners, and for you that already follow me, watch my videos, and you that already caught my signals, right? the first step, you need to create your account on Pocket Option. Or just click on pinned message and watch this video, where I teach you how to create your first account, to perform your first deposits, okay, to configure your account. The most important thing that you need to change, the first of all, is configure your time zone. I will show you how to do that, okay. When you create your account, you're gonna win $50,000 on your demo account for you. When you gain more experience, be more confident, and to practice with that. $50,000 is a lot of money, guys. You can copy the signals, you can use the best indicator for you, and after that you can perform your first deposit. So I really recommend you to do that. It's a great opportunity for you. And after that, if you want to perform your first deposits, in the minimal value $50 to activate this promo code that PocketShop released for us, 50 starts. With that, you're gonna win 50% only on your first deposit, guys. Remember that, okay? But the minimal value to activate this is $50. So just click on deposit metals, choose the best option for you, click on I have a promo code and type 50 starts. Okay, the best for you right here, that you're gonna win $25. Why? Because you have 75, alright? You're gonna try to perform some profits. Okay, when you hit for around $105, $110, you can perform a withdrawal of your $50 that you perform your first deposit, okay, and only use the bonus, alright? And after that you can work only with your bonus, only using your bonus. So because of that, this one, it's very good, okay? Right here I have a link from my support just for you. Contact me, reach out to me in all time while I'm not in live, okay? Every day. Don't hesitate it. If you want to make a question, just ask for help. Just let me know. Send me a message anytime. Alright? Very good. On this video I teach you how to configure your account, how to perform your first deposit, withdrawal, okay? And remember guys, you need to verify your account before first your deposits and withdraw. Good, how the market today? The market is is stable, man. Hello James with trading. Market is okay today. Yes, stable. Oh, a lot of message, man. Hello, how is the market looking? If yeah, this is correct, Mr. Flair. For example, if I send 4 signals for a period, each period, for morning, afternoon, evening, night, just try to perform 2 for a period, for each period, okay? Alright, so let's go. Guys, as I said right here, I have a signal that I sent. So the first thing, the time zone TC -3. You must need to change this. Okay? This is very important. This is the pair. We have pairs. without OTC and with OTC, higher and lower button. Now the spot chop is buy and sell. Okay, this is the exactly time when I send these signals. This is the exactly time for the broker. For all signals that I send, always 5 to 6 minutes, maybe last before the time. So I send this one 5:12 for 5:20. Okay. All operations will have 5 minutes of duration. So just let this configuration right here. Okay. If you lose, make up to Gales. So let's go to the broker. I blew up my account yesterday trying to trade those signals. No, man. You cannot trade those signals. You need to choose the best for you. How can you know how to do risk management? First thing, just try to use the minimal value for it to operate. If you have a great roll bank right here, just try to use 2 to 5%. Okay? Stipulate a stop win and stop loss. And try to cop a few signals for a day. Just per period. Okay? For the morning, I send 4 signals. Afternoon, 4 signals. Evening, 4 signals. Night, 4 signals. Try to use only 2 per period. And just try to do that. Okay? Try to note your values, your operation in a spreadsheet. For example, Excel. Okay. Yeah. And it stipulates man and limits. Exactly. And always try to use the profits to perform the order entry. Right? If you perform an entry right now with $10 and win 9.2, try to use $2 in the next session, because you're gonna have $2 for the first entry plus $4 to the first martingale. Okay, and if you win in the first entry or in the first martingale, it's a reward for you. And I'll learn how to use it together. You can choose which trade has the best chance to get a profit. Yeah. Exactly, man. Exactly. Thanks so much, guys. Okay. So, as I said, the first thing, if you're using smartphone, you can find the profile on your left side. Just click to the profile, alright? Go to the settings, time zone, unselect automatic detection, and select UTC -3. Alright? When you click UTC -3, guys, your page will be reloaded, and you are able to see after that UTC -3 at side of the time. On the top, the left side. Okay? The time. It's important to use the time and not the flag. The flag is just to perform an operation with a little delay. For example, if I perform an entry right now, 6:23, this operation will finish exactly at 6:25. All operations will follow the end of this time that is marked right here for us. When I change this to time, all the operations will have 5 minutes and periods. Okay? So I recommend to use 5 minutes. Buy button is the same for higher button. Lower button is the same for sell button. Okay? Pay attention on the payouts, on the profit right here when you try to perform the martingale. This is very important. The minimal value, guys, of payouts for you just get a draw in the gales. For example, why you have to perform the martingale? Just let me show you. For example, right here, 625. Okay. So, for example, let's try to perform an entry with $5. I need to double up to $10 and again to $20. So with $5, I gonna win 4.6. If I lost my first entry, I need to double up my amount and try again using the same button that was used on my first entry. Alright? If I used buy button, need to click buy button again with double upping my amount, $10. So I gonna win 9.2. Okay? So I will recover my $5 that I lost my first entry and perform a profit of $4.20. Okay? I lost my first martingale. I need to double up my amount again. Click on the same button, double up my amount, and wait for the results. I gonna win 18.4 cents. That means that I will recover my $15 that I lost in my first entry and my first martingale and make a profit of $3.40. Right? So this right here is because I'm using a pair with 92 on percent. Okay. Look this right now with 74. With 74, guys, if I perform my first entry, 3.7. My first martingale, 7.4. I will recover my first entry and perform a profit just only for 2.4. Okay, but look this. So the second martingale. Look at this, with 92%, and now I'm using 74, 14.8. I do not recover my money that I lost in my first entry, my first martingale. It's left 20 cents. Okay, so look at that, guys. 74 on payouts. If I try to find I don't have any on right here. This one here, 75. This pair have 75%. Look at that. This is a draw. Okay. I tried to perform my first entry, I need to double up. I tried to perform my first martingale, I lost and I need to double up. And now I'm in the second martingale. To recover, I am money lost. But I just will recover my money that I lost. I will not make any profits because I just will recover that I lost in my first entry in my first martingale. Look that. So the minimal value to this to get a draw and start to get a little profit is 7.6 on payout for the second martingale. Remember that. Because this is very important, guys, to pay attention on the profits. When I send a signal, pay attention on the profits. When you have this case, 75, and you try to perform a martingale, the second one, and try to recover money lost, just try to put a little more on your amount, just to attempt to perform a profit, just to make this worth. Alright? Okay? So this is the martingale, guys. If you have any question, just let me know. Oh my god, man, we have a lot of messages on the chat, man. I'm so lost. Oh my god. I can hear all. I can read all this, guys. Please, what the currency is the famous trading today? None of them so far, man. Let's try to find a good one right now, okay? So after that, guys, you create your accounts, change your time zone, select the time. The currencies, you can find all the currencies right here. To perform this favorite list above the chart, just click on the stars at side of the name for the pair. We have pairs without OTC and with OTC. Okay. Select candles in chart types. Time frame will not have any trouble with the time. Independent of the time frame that you're using right now, guys, this will not change the time right here. Right? The time is different between time frame. The time frame is just the way to see all the charts. The time, the expiration for each operation that perform. Remember that. Don't forget to enable the timer. This is very good. This is a great tool for you to use. Okay, for the beginner, and they start to be familiar with that first view. Try to use that one. All my indicators, guys. As I will repeat, you're not obliged to use the same that I'm using. You need to then find the best option for you. Okay? So I like to use MACD, Bollinger Bands, 2 options of moving average. This is very important. Okay? Guys, do not try to use moving average with 100, 200 on periods. This is not work for us. This does not work for the day traders. Okay? Because it takes a long period for around 6 hours. What are you gonna do with 6 hours, man? This is just using for the forex. For the binary options is not good right here with 5 minutes. So try to use only 29 on period if you want to use the moving average. Remember that. Fractal 3 on periods and zigzag with that one. I have a great video, guys, on my channel on YouTube. Click on it. Okay. Go to my name, James Martin, videos, and watch this one. I explain all that you need to know of my indicators. If you want to use the same that I'm using. Okay? I teach you the best time for you to click on the button, how to use that as a trigger. I talk about a few some standards of the candle, right? And each one by my indicators that I like to use. Okay? After that, After you watch this video and have any question, just let me know. Don't hesitate to reach out to me on Telegram and just wait for the answer. Right? Euro Rub is a good one right now. So let's take a look on it, Kevin. Euro Rub with OTC or without OTC, man? For now, this open market is open. I zigzag, man. That's one. 355. But I just use the zigzag, man, just for its purity and then find the fractal. Because for the poke shopping we have delay to create this. OTC, alright. Euro Rub, oh my god, man. Euro Rub OTC. Okay. Let's see that. Guys, to perform this entry right now, the best option for us is use the flag to perform this one with delay. Okay? We have this green candle in this middle of this downtrend. But for us, have a short this. We keep going down. You need to wait for this candle pass through this shadow right here. Okay? So for this moment, it's not good for us to perform an entry right now. Okay? This started to create a downtrend, but you need to wait for this. You must have the law. I might be in profit in the morning and lose at night. So crazy and give up. James has none. This per day. Oh my god, man. We have a lot of message on the chat. Let's try to see all this. Hello, how is the market? I did not blow up. Now I learned my lessons. Learn. Sad day to go when ready to stop trading with money. James, can the first market get the second go wrong? No, man, it's not guaranteed that you win in a martingale. Alright? Guys, look at that. Change this to the flag. Alright? And wait for this. Let's see. If this candle just pass through this shadow on the previous candle right here, and let's start to go down after that this mark, click on the lower button. Right? Look at that. Right here we can click on the button. I wait for the 2:30 to do that. Let's wait for this. Are you buying or selling a DC and AUI? What is the difference between currency with OTC and without OTC? For example, we have pairs without OTC and with OTC. With OTC and from the name, each broker have yours on pairs with OTC. Alright? So when I send a signal with OTC, you cannot copy these signals in another broker, because all charts will be different, even if you open the same pair in another broker. It's not the same for all of them. For all signals without OTC, that is for open markets, this one following this market right here. Okay, the invest.com economy calendar. Okay? So when I send a signal without OTC, you can use that in another broker. But I don't recommend you to do that because sometimes you can have a little different in a candle for the delay for each broker, right? Even if these have the same charts. So you need to wait for that. Okay? So try to use only pocket option. Alright guys? As I can and how I use the pocket option perform my analysis, just use this on pocket option. So this is the difference. All the open markets without OTC get facing impact on this one when you have a pair coin with 3 stars on the common calendar. This will have impact on the same pair. For example, just manage if this one euro right here have 3 stars. All pairs with euro AUD, euro JPY, euro CADs will suffering a good impact on it. So only the pairs without OTC will suffering all change that we have on the trade markets, on the global markets for the great investors in around the world. Okay? Alright, Mr. Flat, I have a great advice. For us, no advice. In the industry, yeah, we'll be always here to help families grow together. OTC is the real markets. No, I tried to run around tournament. Okay, man, it's not in order. Please advise. OTC man is over in the counter rate trade. I think the must always teach us manage money. Like how much must one be with 20 or 50? I realize that a lot of people lose because they don't know how to manage. Yeah. Hard to make money, Oh my god, I nearly missed it. Had to open 4 minutes. Guys, you perform this entry together with me? This one? Just let me know. Down or up? So let's try. Oh my god. Oh, this is a good one, guys. Look, the MACD is trying to cross the line. This is a great opportunity for us. Let's try it another one. It's good. Maybe this one. Alright. 7-3, no. 7-3, no. Guys, look that, man. Let's see the highest points. Because, let's see that. Oh, we have a great chance, man, to this just keep going up, okay? Guys, let's perform this together, alright? Euro GBP with Alpha TC, alright? 645. Higher button. Okay? Let's do this together. Just be prepared, choose the best value for you. Guys, remember the management of risks. Okay? Let's click on it in 30 seconds. Let's see the M1 chart. For M1 chart, it's trying to create reverts, but I don't think that is it starts to go down. So let's wait for this. 15 seconds, guys. Be prepared. Right? Three, two, one, now. Let's wait for this. Let's see this with respect to trend and be a direct win. Just follow up this for the points or for the countdown in front of the candle. Yeah, real rubber was necessary, man, to use the flag to perform the entry with delay. Okay, sometimes we have to wait for the shadow of the candle to perform an entry. Okay, for that one that perform, sometimes we have a candle with different color in the trends. For example, this two right here, green and green. For the next one, we start to create red candle to make sure this will keep going down. You need to wait for this pass the shadow and start to go down. But to this, we not can use the time with 5 minutes. We can change this to the flag, okay? To just follow the flow for the candle. Sometimes it's necessary to do that. Alright? So you need to pay attention. Look at that, guys. So far it's good for us. Okay, guys, just a minute. Oh, you like to use the flag, man, for every trade? I don't like to use the flag because for all time that I need to perform the martingale, I need to pay attention. If this change, if the time already changed, it's just change it to the flag, Vanessa. Just use the flag. But the flag, you need to pay attention on the time right here that is always running and for the end time. Okay, because the flag, when you use that, this time we perform an operation right now, we'll finish exactly at this time right here, 6:50. Okay, so just let's wait for this. Now it's 6:48. If it will be necessary to perform the martingale, you need to wait for this time right here, change it to 6:55. Alright? But this only will change When the timer here hits the mark of 6:49:55 seconds, you only will have 5 seconds to decide if you will perform the martingale reverse or you keep click on the same button. So I don't like to do that, okay? Because you need to pay attention all the time. Look at that. This is already changing, okay? So this not a half delay so far. So look at that. This is already changing, okay? So now it's 6:55. When you use the little clock right here on the time at 5 minutes, always will have 5 minutes of duration on it. Okay? So this was a direct win for us, guys. Very good. 10 seconds, not possible to this candle just start to melting and pass through my line. It's a good one, guys. When I enter the trade, I manually add 5 minutes and double up the amount. Alright. Very good, guys. Very, very good. 2 entries, 2 wins. Very good. Two down? No, well, only the your rub was down. The other one was higher, man. How can one use the double up button to maximize on the trade? Did you mean the button that appears for you on the trade history, Vanessa? Right here. We have rollover and double up. It's not the same when you double up our amount to perform the martingale. Don't make this mistake. The rollover click to time, but it could risk sometimes. Oh man, I just click right here and change the value. I don't trust in this button to perform this. Okay? Try to not use that. For example, let me show you something. Right here we have this pair. Alright? Look at that. I performed 2 entries. Okay? Rollover. When I click on the rollover, what is happening right here? I just double up my amount. Okay? When I click in double up on this option, I just create another entry. The third one. If I click on the rollover on that, I just double up my amount. If I click on double up again, I create another entry. Alright? So this button is not so good because this already appears for me because the candle is just for around my line. If this candle starts to melting for around here, I'll just keep going up for around here, this option will disappear. Alright? So it's not good because we'll have 3 minutes yet for this entry, and look when you click on the button. 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes. Okay? M9, man. So try to not use this one. Okay, look at that. Alright? So do not try to do that, guys. If you try to perform your double up, just click on it 1 minute before to the end of time. and just change the value. Oh my god, guys. Okay, just wait. Oh, my this entry will finish 55. Let's be prepared for the martingale. Already double up our amounts. But not it's necessary to click any button. Just change. Perform it by yourself. Do not click on the button to double up your amounts. Sometimes this will double up your amounts and you will not see that and be a mistake. Okay? So be careful with that. Yeah, that two option is the scan. I agree with you. Okay, guys, so is that for today. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the attendance on the live. We have a lot of message on the chat, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much for the interaction on the chat, guys. I really appreciate that. So don't hesitate if you have any question. Just let me know. Alright? Just send a message. Reach out to me on Telegram. It's the same that I sent Signal. Alright? Thank you so much. Stay tuned on the group. Wait for the next signals. Alright? Don't forget to change the time zone, guys. It's very important. This is the first thing that you need to perform. This is the most important thing that you need to change. Without that, you cannot copy any signal. Don't forget, if you want to perform your first deposit, use the 50 starts, the promo codes. Okay? So is that, guys. And don't forget, if you want to use the same indicator that I'm using, just watch the video that I showed for you. Alright? Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. And just wait for the next session and stay tuned at the group for the next signals. Have a good day, have a good Friday, and a wonderful weekend for you and for your family. A big hug for you guys, and God bless you. See you. Bye bye.